In 2002, the FBI closed the X-Files and our investigation ceased.
We have a small problem.
Scully, where are you?
Standing at your desk.
Determined to what? Stop me?
Not be programmed, categorized, or easily referenced. What are we doing up here, Scully? It's hotter than hell.
That if he dies because of what you've done,
I'm concerned for Scully. If she were to fear her boy was in danger, like Mulder, she'd stop at nothing.
What is happening? Mulder, you have to go.
Extremely abnormal brain activity.
But I don't understand from whom.
put it down, Scully! 4 days from now, nobody will stop me from being the one that'll fly for good, you son of a...
All manner of ridiculous untruths.
That's why they put the I in FBI.
별로 효과 없는 장치예요. 그런 거 복잡하게 만들고 하지 말고 그냥 문 열어놓는 게 더 시원합니다.
Where is he?
This is just the beginning.
You sent for me.
This is so unnecessary, folks. We refuse to imagine our impending extinction, the acceleration of the cataclysms. We've thrown science out the window in favor of scandal, opinion, cant, civilization a joke, and my plan, merely the punchline. If they were to get out, they would be dismissed as so much fake news. That's the world we live in, Monica. Every day a new disaster. When the one thing no one is prepared for will wipe the slate clean. We refuse to imagine our impending extinction, the acceleration of the cataclysms. We've thrown science out the window in favor of scandal, opinion, cant, all manner of ridiculous untruths. Civilization a joke. Been at this too long not to have my alternatives. And my plan, merely the punchline.